Babua Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Hirasei Japanese restaurant for sending us such a generous delivery. In front of you are sushi pans. Meron din tayong mga ramen kit dito. So they sent us a tonkatsu and tantan men ramen. So these are ready to cook. So you actually want your ramen parang kaluluto lang, guys. And then on my right, meron tayong onigiri. And then of course, the nori wrappers for our sushi pans. Let's talk about the flavors and the sizes of our sushi pans available from them. All three flavors po are available for each sizes, but for recognition's sake, para mas ma-distinguish ko kung ano yung pangalan ng mga sushi pans natin. So the smallest one, they call it Crazy Crunchy Kani Maki. Now the medium size, they call it Cheesy Baked California Maki. And in the middle, they call it Baked Salmon Kani Aburi. Now when we say aburi, ito yung parang they flame torch it. Wow, what a treat. So let me open them. This is such a generous delivery. Thank you so much, Hirasei. So just to give you a trivia, guys, Hirasei is a kind of seashell and is considered a lucky charm in Japan. Alright, so the best part and moment of truth, guys, let's taste test this. Let me open our nori wrapper. Okay, and then let me put it here on our nori wrapper, guys. That is actually huge. Medyo malaki-laki yung nakuha ko. Such a lovely hour. Alright, so let's put it on our nori wrapper again, guys. Grabe. Ang laki na naman ng nakuha ko. So let's taste it and then, let's try to dissect kung ano yung ingredient niya. Wow! What a flavor! Grabe! I don't know if you noticed it, guys. So on top, meron siyang, I think this is the batter na ginagamit nila for the tempura. That's why it's really crunchy, yung mga tempura natin. And then they use it here. And then, parang, I don't know if that's tempura sauce. Ang sarap. It's probably soy sauce or tempura sauce. Pero it gave it a super duper flavorful. And then, medyo maano pa siya. Medyo spicy siya. So, I like it. Grabe, guys. This is just so thick. Parang 50-50. 50-50 rice. And then, there's your, salmon mix. The sauce and all the ingredients. Grabe. Bakit parang palaki ng palaki yung pagkuha ko sa mga slices natin. But anyway, so this is how it looks like. So thick. All in one bite. Wow, that salmon. It is just so heavenly. So heavenly, guys. Let me give you a quick background about Hirasei. Located in Aray, Pampanga, it's a Japanese restaurant there. And right now, during this quarantine period, they provide free deliveries within San Fernando area. And then outside San Fernando area naman, may mga minimal delivery. It was actually an inspired restaurant from Japan. They are using authentic Japanese ingredients all the way from the land of the rising sun, Japan. Okay, so we're gonna go downstairs. Magluluto po tayo ng isa sa mga ramen kit nila. So, samahan niyo po ako. Alright, so that was just an amazing experience having a hot bowl from their ramen kit. Grabe, that was, I mean, I really enjoyed it, guys. And if you're interested with the food or the product that you saw in this video, check out their fan page. It is flashing on your screens right now. Make sure to call the numbers we're gonna be providing as well. Taste authentic Japanese food coming from Hirasei Japanese restaurant. So if you like the food that you saw in this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reaction coming from you will be highly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!